This tutorial will go over how to create an accessible web page using the built-in HTML editor with Canvas. I'm going to be using my week 1 page to show the options for the HTML editor and also how to check for accessibility. So as you can see, there is a HTML editor hyperlink right here. So I'm going to click that. And as you can see, you have all of your description data right there. But if that is all good for you, you can just push save or you can edit. Now after that is done, if you needed to also check for accessibility, you can also hover over this little person in a circle icon. This is telling me there's no issues that were detected, but if there was, you can always edit your web page, or you can go to that HTML editor section and make adjustments. Otherwise, you would just save and publish your page.